Welcome back to our English Learning channel. Today, we are going to improve your English speaking with another shadowing story. Listen carefully. Pause after each sentence. Repeat exactly what you hear. Copy the pronunciation, emotion, and rhythm. Today's story is called The Lost Backpack. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Emma. Last Monday started like every other day. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I made breakfast. Then I packed my backpack. Inside my backpack were my laptop, my wallet, and some important documents. I left home at 8 o'clock. The weather was sunny. I felt happy. I walked to the bus stop. The bus arrived 5 minutes later. It was crowded. Many people were standing. I found a seat near the window. I listened to music. After 30 minutes, I arrived downtown. I got off the bus. I walked toward my office. Then something terrible happened. My backpack was gone. I looked around quickly. I checked my shoulders. Nothing. I checked my hands. Nothing. My heart started beating fast. Where was my backpack? I remembered leaving it on the bus. Oh no! I started running after the bus, but it had already disappeared. I didn't know what to do. I called the bus company. A woman answered. She asked me to describe my backpack. It is black, I said. It has a small blue keychain. She checked their system. No one has reported it yet. I felt very worried. All my work files were inside. My passport was also there. I sat on a bench. I didn't know what to do next. Suddenly, my phone rang. An unknown number was calling. I answered. Hello? A friendly voice said, "Did you lose a black backpack?" My eyes became wide. Yes. Where is it? The man laughed. I found it on the bus. I am the driver. I smiled. I felt so relieved. Thank you. I carried her bags home. She was very happy. That day, I learned something important. Kindness always comes back. Sometimes a stranger can change your day, and sometimes you can change someone else's life. Now I always check my backpack before leaving the bus, and I never forget the kind driver who helped me. Thank you for listening. Now watch this story again. Pause after every sentence. Repeat exactly what you hear. Practice every day. Little by little, your English speaking will become more natural. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next English story. Goodbye.